A few years ago, I met a student named Sarah. She loved learning English. Every night she wrote down 20 new English words in her notebook. But the next morning, she could only remember 2 or 3. She felt sad and said, "Teacher, I think I have a bad memory." But do you know what I told her? I said, "Sarah, your memory is not bad. Your method is bad." And when she changed her method, something amazing happened. She started remembering almost every new word she learned. Today, I'll show you the same simple steps that helped Sarah, so you can remember English vocabulary permanently. Step 1. Don't just read. Use your imagination. When you learn a new English word, don't just read it. You must see it in your mind. For example, if you learn the word apple, don't only say apple, apple, apple. Close your eyes and imagine a big red apple in your hand. Smell it, take a bite, feel the taste. Step 2. Write and speak the word. When you write a word, you use your hand. When you say the word, you use your mouth. When you hear it, you use your ears. So, if you write, say, and listen, you use 3 parts of your brain together. That means you will remember it for a very long time. Try this. 1. Write the word. 2. Say it aloud. 3. Make a short sentence with it. Step 3. Use the word in real life. If you don't use a word, you will forget it. It's like buying shoes but never wearing them. After some time, you forget you have them. So, try to use new English words in your daily life. When you talk to friends, write messages or think in English. Use those words. Let's say you learned the word excited. Next time you go to a party, think, "I'm so excited." That's how your brain keeps the word safe, forever. Step 4. Review with the 1-day, 3-day, 7-day rule. Here's a secret trick that memory experts use. It's called spaced repetition. It means you should review your new words like this. Review after 1 day. Review again after 3 days. Review again after 7 days. When you see a word many times, your brain says, "Oh, this is important." And it saves it in your long-term memory. So, make a small review list. Don't study for hours. Just 5 or 10 minutes a day is enough. Step 5. Learn fewer words, but learn them deeply. Many students try to learn 50 new words in 1 day. That's too much. Your brain doesn't like too many new things at once. Instead, learn only 5 new words each day, but learn them deeply. Make sentences, find pictures, and use them again and again. Remember, quality is better than quantity. Step 6. Connect the word with your life. If you connect a new English word with your personal life, you will never forget it. For example, the word journey. Don't just think journey means travel. Think, my journey to learn English is fun. Now the word journey has meaning for you. It becomes a part of your story, and your brain loves stories. Step 7. Play with words. Learning vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. You can play games like word matching, flashcards, apps like Quizlet or Anki, crossword puzzles, or even guessing games with friends. When learning feels like a game, you don't forget. You enjoy it. Step 8. Sleep well and stay positive. Yes, sleep helps memory. When you sleep, your brain organizes everything you learned. So, study new words before sleeping, not when you're tired. And don't say, "English is too hard." Say, "I'm improving every day." A positive mind remembers better than a tired, negative one. Let's go back to Sarah. Remember her? After using these simple steps, she told me, "Teacher, now English words come to me naturally. I don't have to chase them anymore." And that's exactly what I want for you. You don't need a perfect memory. You just need a better method. So today, choose 5 new English words. Imagine them, write them, say them, use them, review them. And you'll remember them permanently. If you liked this lesson, share it with your friends and comment below. Tell me which English words you'll remember today. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple English lessons like this one.